Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable color correction in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to accessibility. After that go to vision enhancements, and here you can see color correction option. Then just tap here. Now by tapping here you can enable color correction, and you can see it's enabled successfully. And at the bottom you can see 4 options of color correction: duotone, protone, tritone and grayscale, and you can choose any option as you want. If you want to set protone, just select it and it's done. You can see in my phone color correction has been enabled successfully. If you want to disable it, just go to same settings and you have to disable this option from here, and you can see it's disabled successfully. And that is how you can enable color correction in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.